there, it's Ashley from WTI, and if you are looking for a feminine dress to add to your collection, then I would highly recommend this one. This is from Ferlema. It's in their color green, and I love the detail on this dress. I have never seen sleeves quite like this, but they are very delicately embroidered, and it's a flutter sleeve, so it does cover your shoulder. It is the most beautiful sleeve that I have in my closet by far. And then it does have a solid strap that comes down. This top part is really stretchy, and it also has a very stretchy waist. So I do have a small, and I would say you could size down in this because of how stretchy it is. So if you normally wear a medium, I would say get a small, and this will fit you perfectly. And then it is a full length dress, but at the bottom, it has this really beautiful embroidered strip that goes across the dress, and it is see-through. So that is so pretty when the sun hits it to be able to see through the dress. And it has a lining that goes down to about my knee. I'm 5'4", and so it goes down to about my knee. It's perfect. I absolutely love this dress. I cannot get over how beautiful the color is. This Kelly green is like my favorite color ever. So this is right up my alley. And it's just a beautiful dress to have for spring or summer. And that is my point of view.